When someone in your life does something that makes you angry, do you ever wish you could teach them a lesson to let them know what they did wrong? Roald Dahl's The Magic Finger is all about a little girl and her adventure to try and teach her neighbors an important lesson after they made her mad. The little girl, who remains unnamed for the entirety of the book, lives next to the Gregg family, who have two sons. The little girl likes to play with these two sons occasionally, but something they do for fun drives her crazy. Every Saturday morning, the Gregg family boys go out into the woods and look for birds and deer to hunt. The little girl hates the idea of killing animals for fun, so she tries her best every week to get the Gregg family to stop their hunting trips. The Gregg family likes hunting so much, though, they ignore all that the little girl has to say and continue hunting. One Saturday morning, the little girl saw the Gregg boys coming home with a deer. Completely livid that they had just killed an innocent animal, the little girl started shouting at them, but they just laughed in her face. This made the girl so mad she started to see red. The thing about the little girl is that when she gets angry, something a little weird happens. The power of her magic finger comes out to change the appearance of people who made her mad to teach them a lesson. She explains, "It always happens when I get cross, when I see red. Then I get very, very hot all over, then the tip of my forefinger and my right hand begins to tingle most terribly, and suddenly a sort of flash comes out of me, a quick flash, like something electric. It jumps out and touches the person who has made me cross. And after that, the magic finger is upon him or her and things begin to happen." The origin of this power is unknown and the little girl rarely uses it. However, the Gregg family made her so mad she secretly puts the power of the magic finger on all of them before she can stop herself. Before long, the Gregg family discovers the effects of the little girl's magic finger. When they wake up the next morning, they all discover that they have been shrunk in size and their arms have been turned into wings. While the Gregg family tries to figure out how and why this has happened to them, they experience some freaky situations, such as getting kicked out of their house by birds the size of men and getting shot at. All of these experiences are sure to change the family's mind about hunting. With all of the twists and turns this book puts the Gregg family through, you are never sure what will happen next. Do you have any predictions about how the Gregg family will get out of this freaky situation and return to normal human life? To see if your prediction is correct, you'll have to get yourself a copy of Roald Dahl's The Magic Finger. I can assure you the creative storyline and positive ending will not disappoint you. Share with me how you connected to the story and how accurate your predictions were after finishing the book. I'd love to hear.